Hello there guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to make this PowerPoint infographic design in just 3 minutes in PowerPoint. So let's start, but first make sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So first of all, what you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel and also go to comments, and you have to just comment down to let me know about your opinion. So yeah, here we go. So first of all, what we're going to do is just put your infographic on the other side so that I can just take reference. So what I'm going to do is insert a rounded corner rectangle right here, and then give it a gray gradient like this. Perfect. And we're just going to give it an outline of a silver outline gradient. Here we go. And I'm just going to put a triangle on it, on this white rounded corner rectangle, fragmented. And what we're going to do is remove the other part that we don't need. And next we're just gonna put this half part onto our rounded corner rectangle shape. Here we go. So yeah, perfect. So yeah, next we're gonna give it this shadow. Here we go. What we're gonna do is just give it this gradient. And then we're just gonna group all of the shapes and then duplicate them, add your text on it. So yeah, here we go. Now let me just make four duplicate copies of it, and then we can just give them a gradient, and let's just give them animation. So yeah, now I'm just gonna give them the zoom animation. Done. So yeah, this is the final result of what we made in this video. And if you like this video, make sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more amazing videos and content like this.